Hi everyone, welcome to a Vlogtober video. So it is actually Thursday. It's actually 5:15 and I'm filming this video. And guess what? I'm still gonna post it today. I didn't get a chance to post one yesterday. Well, actually I did post one yesterday. I don't know why YouTube flagged my video as a copyright yesterday. So I'm like, I couldn't figure out why they flagged it, so I just deleted it. I didn't have time to try to appeal or anything like that. But anyway, today was an awesome day. I went to Grandparents' Day at Rollins School at 1 o'clock, and then I came back home, logged back in for work. And so here I am, 5:15, doing a video for you today. So I hope you guys have been enjoying my Vlogtober series that I've been doing. And I'm going to show you a little clip of the Grandparents' Day after the decorating part of the video. So I decided that I didn't want to decorate these wreaths here. By the way, these wreaths are from Walmart, and if I can find the link to them, I'll place it down below. But they were like 12 bucks, $12.15 or 58 cents or something like that. And yeah, and I decided that I didn't want to decorate them. I just wanted to add like a ribbon, and I wanted to do a different type of ribbon. So I saw a young lady on TikTok who actually have what they call sashes. I'm sure they were expensive because they had little reindeer on the end. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to use my Cricut machine and maybe put a snowflake on the end of this when I get ready to do my tour for this room. But I want to show you how to tie a sash on your wreath if you don't want to do all the actual ornaments and all the other things around your wreath, because this looks really pretty. And since I have a lot going on with the Grinch and the Christmas tree over there, I want to keep this kind of simple. So nothing won't clash with the Grinch himself. So let me grab my ribbon. So you can actually order you some sashes from Amazon. If I can find some sashes on Amazon or Walmart or whatever, I'll have them linked in the video. But this is actually the ribbon, the same ribbon that I use in the Christmas tree and the same ribbon that I'm going to be using on my fireplace. I cut this to actually 49 inches. It's pre-cut. I cut it prior to the video, 49 inches. And actually, what I want to do is I want to cut this diagonally. I'm going to cut it like this. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut it just like so. Yes, just like that. So my little sash is cut. I like that. And so what I'm going to do is take my ribbon and I'm going to take it around my my wreath just like that, right? And so now that I have that there, what I'm going to do is I want to have one of them longer than the other. So I'm going to take the longer, I'm going to have my left side just a tad bit longer, right? Because I'm going to take my left side, and that's well, I'm going to leave that under there. I'm going to tie with my left side. So I have my left side a tad bit longer, and then I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to tie it in a knot, just like that. And you're going to have to play around with it because remember, you're using actually a, this is actually ribbon and it's wired ribbon. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling here to make sure that I'm going to have an even amount of my actual ribbon here. So, and then you want your knot to be at the bottom here. So I'm going to pull some more. See what I'm doing? I'm pulling here to make sure that my ribbon is going to be even on both sides. And I'm just continue to pull. And it looks like I am almost there. And you see the points are on the same side. And once you get your ribbon to the point to where you like it, you just straighten it out. I hope I wasn't blocking the camera. If I was, I'm gonna have to redo it. So this is really pretty. I like the way, well, I ended up pulling that out anyway, guys. And I have flocking on the floor. So yeah, so this is a sash, how you can DIY your own sash and make your, you can either, you can play around with that, but I want mine to be just like that. And I have my points on the side, and I'm just dusting off this flocking that got on my actual DIY sash. And you can play around with it to keep it, the sash personality wise. And I love that. That is so pretty. Comment down below and let me know if this is something, if you would do something like this with your wreath instead of all the ornaments and stuff around. Now I like that. So yes, something different and cute and elegant. So yes. Now I was thinking about adding a little snowflake right here. Let me show you one that I could potentially add, but it's a little bit too big. But I can DIY snowflakes with my Cricut machine. Let me show you. So this here snowflake actually is from Michael's, but it's too big. But just imagine how pretty that would be if it was smaller. Yes, I'll probably do a video and show y'all how I'm gonna put them on there. But yes, just imagine how pretty that would be if it was a smaller snowflake. That would be so pretty. And since my Grinch is holding the snowflake and my baby Grinch is holding the snowflake, I think snowflakes would be pretty on my little sashes. Okay, love. So in the next clip, I'm going to go ahead and go on to Ryland's Grandparents' Day. I want to thank you all for tuning in on this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. So today is Grandparents' Day for Ryland. So I'm here going to Grandparents' Day. Looks like there's quite a few grandparents already here. It starts at 1. It is maybe 10 minutes before 1. So let's go see what Grandparents' Day is all about. So I'm on my way up here to see what's going on with Grandparents' Day for Ryland. You gonna love 2.
All right, if you have the answer, clap one time. Awesome. 1 plus 0. Grandparents, what's the answer? 1. Do you have it on your card?
Oh, yeah.
All right, give yourself a hand. We almost there. Honey, what's the next one?
You gonna say bingo?
4 plus 1.
5.
Grandparents, what's the answer?
5.
All right, you got it. Let me see, say that. Who is that one that's up in there? Okay, grandparents.
Somebody won.
All right, grandparents. That's round 1. What did you do?
I didn't win.
Okay, what we have next? 6 plus 2. Grandparents, what's the answer? Okay. So, stand up and let me see you. Congratulations. Y'all give my hand. Y'all don't be stingy, grandparents. All right. What we have next? All right, here we go. We keep it going. What we have? 7 plus 2. Grandparents, what's the answer? 9. Students, what's the answer? Give yourself a moment, big hand, grandparents.
What is 3?
All right, what we have next?
You win if you get them
5 plus 1.
6.